Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Shamir, and if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for joining me again today. So today's video is a really quick and simple video. It's basically me showing you some cookware, you know, pots, pans, non-stick pots and pans, all that good stuff in Walmart. And it's because I recently went to the store and I had to buy another pot and another pan recently, and I wanted to show you what they had in store. But I also wanted to talk to you guys about the fact that really, if you have a good set of pots and pans, okay, it can really re-inspire you to want to actually cook more things because you're not frustrated, okay? When your non-stick frying pan starts to be a sticky frying pan, it can just make the whole situation very frustrating, okay? And I feel like getting a new set of pots and pans will just like re-inspire you to want to cook different things. The ease at which you can do things, the ease in which you can clean the new pots and pans is really something for me, okay? Because the pans were starting to stick, okay? And I find myself now with this new non-stick frying pan that I bought, I find myself just, okay, I'm gonna whip something up real quick and then I'm gonna like immediately wash it, because you know what, everything is not stuck on it. It's not like the big chore or task that it used to be, when it's like, okay, now I have to either scrub this or, you know, get a Brillo pad to clean it, all that stuff. And I know those things, like for some people it may be like, okay, that doesn't bother you, but for me in particular, you guys, I honestly hate washing dishes. It's like one of the things that works on my nerves the most for some reason. I'm not a fan of dishes that, you know, especially like forks and spoons and stuff that people have eaten off of, cups, all of that stuff. And even with the pots and pans, I don't feel like sticking my hand in the dishwater knowing that everything is like dirty. And yes, I do have a dishwasher, but of course, like I said, when your non-stick pan turned into a sticky pan and you have to sit there and scrub it before you even put it in the dishwasher, you guys, it just became so much of a task. And I found that now that I have some nice new pots and pans that I did purchase at Walmart, I am like, you know what, I feel like I can just whip up a meal real quick and clean it out, and it's like not a thing. So I feel like it definitely helps, because then, okay, if I see a new recipe, I'm like, okay, why not try this out? Because in my mind, I know it's not gonna be so much of a hassle whenever it's time to be done, okay? So I would say if you're shopping for something like this, definitely check them out. They had quite a few options to choose from. I know one of them, it was shown on here, it was like the white Dutch oven look. That's the most recent one that I purchased, and the pan was it's like a black pan. Okay, that's saying a lot versus all these pots and pans that are on here, but yeah, I think it was like $19.98. It's in the store, okay? That's what you really need to know, okay? But anyway, you guys, yes, make sure you also take care of your pots and pans by buying the right like spoons and spatulas and stuff. Get you some of like the rubber ones. Don't get the hard ones that are going to mess up the non-stick on your non-stick pots and pans. Now, if you just have regular ones that aren't non-stick, then feel free, go ahead, get the other ones. But I'm telling you, that's one change that I had to make that was very helpful. But anyway, I hope you've enjoyed today's video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and share the video with someone who may be shopping for pots and pans too. I'll see you next time. Bye.